Welcome back to the channel, y'all. My name's Nathan Christ, and today I am stuck in the office because it is pouring down rain again. And so it's going to give me the opportunity to answer a question that I get asked quite regularly, and that is, can I cut the grass when it's wet? Or maybe on the other side of things, how dry does the grass have to be able to cut it effectively? So the absolute first thing to think about is, can you mow it safely? Do you have a lot of steep hills? Do you have a push mower? Do you have a walk behind mower? Do you have something that's going to slide? That's something to consider first of all. Can you do it safely? The next thing to consider is anytime that you cut the grass when it's wet, whether it's early in the morning, late in the evening, or during or after a rainstorm, it actually makes the grass a little bit more susceptible to disease and fungus, things of that nature. As far as that goes, that's not something that I would be overly concerned with, as long as you've got sharp blades and you're not doing it on the regular. In other words, you're not just cutting grass when it's wet. I think you'd probably be all right. Now, the last thing to consider kind of goes into knowing your property or knowing the properties that you're mowing. Can you do it safely? Can you do it effectively? It's a big difference if you're using a push mower versus a 900-pound commercial mower. So are you going to get stuck? Are you going to leave ruts in the yard? When you're turning with a zero-turn mower, when you turn your wheels, are you going to tear up the turf? These are all things to consider if you're mowing when the grass is wet. So how wet is too wet? Obviously, if there's standing water, if it's in the middle of a heavy rainstorm, if you've got a lot of runoff that's coming onto a property. Now, it's not 100%, but one rule of thumb that I've found that holds pretty true is if the road is dry, it's probably okay to cut the grass. So if a rainstorm comes through and it's drenched everything and now the sun has come back out and it's starting to dry back up, or you feel that humidity come into the air, it's probably okay to cut the grass. I would recommend, again, having really sharp blades, leaving your chute open or leaving your discharge open so that you have a chance to really spread those clippings as far as you can, and raise your deck up just a little bit higher than you normally would so it doesn't clump up nearly as bad. So guys, I hope you found something helpful in this video. I'm trying to keep them short and I'm trying to answer your questions as specifically as I can without being long-winded. So if you like what you heard, feel free to subscribe to our channel, follow us for more videos, and guys, just want to let you know, from my family to yours, I love you, I appreciate you, and above all else, God bless you guys.